Ma'am, can you please read louder because I can't hear?
Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can hear my voice clearly?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. The period from 1920 to 1947 is considered as Gandhian age. Means Gandhiji has taken part in first to make our India free. So, and the Gandhian movements means he has done different movements. That is Dandi March, Simon Mission, then Quit India movement. He has done na, for struggle or independence. This second stage of national movement of India is struggle for having constitutional rights. After second stage was for the struggling of constitutional rights means rights different constitutions rights were taken part. Okay. Moreover, it is the struggle for the freedom of India too. This struggle passed through a stream of events and there was a uniform effect of it. What is the meaning of uniform? Anyone knows meaning of uniform?
No.
Hello?
Can you
Hello?
read the sentence?
Sorry?
Can you please repeat that sentence of uniform?
Anyone knows the meaning of uniform? Uniform means smoothly. In one path only it is running, that means uniform. Have you understood?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Doubt.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So now see, first mission is Simon Commission. Which mission is first? Simon Commission. In which year? 1942. In which year?
1942.
Okay, you can
1942.
understand it.
Yes.
Okay, who will read?
Now can I read?
Okay,
Montford, Montage, Chelps. Ma'am, what is?
beta, your voice is not coming clearly.
Hello.
हाँ बोलो. हेलो.
Hello.
हाँ बेटा बोलो.
What is Montage? Montage.
Its name. Its name. हेलो.
Hello, ma'am. Mic
You can.
problem.
आवाज आ रहा है बेटा?
Yes. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. हाँ तो रीड इट. हु इज रीडिंग? हेलो.
Discipline.
हेलो. हेलो.
Yes, ma'am.
हु इज रीडिंग? हु इज
Ma'am,
रीडिंग?
Shifted.
सॉरी.
Ma'am, Mitchell.
ओके. हु इज रीडिंग? स्टार्ट रीडिंग. कौन रीड कर रहा है?
Ma'am, मैं read कर रहा हूँ.
हाँ. सॉरी.
Can I read?
हाँ. ओके स्टार्ट रीडिंग.
Okay. Montford,
Montfort. Yes.
Montford, Mont,
Montague.
Montu,
Chelmsford.
1919 amended declared that citizens should be sent to India after 10 years.
Examines the effects and operations of the constitutional reforms and to
To
suggest most reforms for India, but 2 years
the
later, government
for
appointed Simon Commission. Yes, Montfort is the name of the person. He has
maintain
declared a
Speak loud.
commission. He has declared a commission to send him to India after 10 years to examine that which constitutional rights will work in India and wanted to suggest, and he wants to suggest that who will appoint as in this commission. Okay, so he has sent Simon Commission. Next line, you read it. This much you have understood better. Okay,
Commission
next.
of Sir John Seaman and seven other members,
Okay,
all
how many members were selected? How many members were consisted in this commission? Seven members and Sir John Simon. Okay, from the name of the Sir John, this mission's name is Simon Commission. Okay, next.
all of them were members of the British Parliament.
Okay, all of them were from which parliament? British Parliament. No one were from India. Okay.
There was not a single Indian as member.
I have told first only that not a single member was from India. All were from the British Parliament. How many members were there? Seven members and Sir John Simon. Okay. Now next.
Indians recommended inclusion
Recommended
of Indian members in the commission uh,
in this commission.
commission so as to understand the problems and pains of but
Indian
British
society,
but
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 Britishers reject.
reject the recommendation.
Okay, wait. So what happened? Indians Indian members told that they wanted to join this commission, but they have not allowed the Indian public to join this mission. Britishers rejected. They told that you understand our pains and problems which we are suffering, but they rejected. Who rejected? Britishers rejected. Okay, next.
The Indians decided to oppose it.
So the Indian decided to oppose it. So what Indian people has done? They have opposed this mission. Okay.
The Human Commission was granted with
Strikes,
assembly
assembly, procession,
loud
loud slogans
slogans
of
of human go back and unfurling of
unfurling
of a
of black
flag and
and apparel. So what happened? Our Indian people had opposite it. Okay, they have done strikes. Strikes means you know na. Sorry, strike का meaning क्या है? What's the meaning of strikes?
dharna.
Okay, then they have together gathered and made an assembly. Now you can hear my clear voice. Okay, so Indian people had opposite. They have done strikes. They have together make an assembly. Then they have started the slogan, "Simon, go back, back," and they have unfurled the black flags. Okay, next. This much you have understood better. Then I will ask the questions. Okay, read it better.
Okay. The British government surprised
Suppressed
the moment
mercilessly.
merely
The assistant police superintendent ordered lathi charge on Lalaji's procession. Means what happened after that? The superintendent police officer has done lathi charge. Means you know what is the meaning of lathi? डंडा लेकर मारते हैं ना, उसको लाठी चार्ज बोलते हैं. Okay. Lala Lajpat Rai was injured seriously while taking the lead of the procession in Lahore. He was injured seriously where in Lahore. Then few months later he passed away, means he was dead. Okay. The news of Lalaji's death instigated Bir Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru. Therefore they killed Saunders. Means This news hurted these persons, Veer Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajput. So their Saunders means these people they have killed away. Okay, this much you understood or not?
Yes.
Okay, so who started Simon Commission? Who started Simon Commission?
Sir John Simon.
Okay, how many members were there?
Seven.
Seven members.
Okay, only British people or Indian? There was Indian people or not?
Seven people were British.
Okay, so Indians rejected this movement. Okay, so what they have done?
They have, they have done strikes and
How they have opposed it? How they have opposed?
started strike for British.
Sorry, all are sleeping or
I'm telling that they were started strike.
okay? Which slogan was spoken by Indians?
Simon, go back.
Simon go back.
Okay, who was hurted by
Lala Lajpat Rai.
Rajpat Rai? Oh, okay, when was Simon Commission started? When was Simon Commission
1942.
started?
1942.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Okay, so understood this question? I'm asking.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming properly.
Hello.